My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. Hey there, fabulous dancer, and welcome! If you are catching this video right when it releases, Happy New Year! If you're catching it any other time, this New Year's belly dance workout is great for any time of year, really. I'm gonna get you warm, I'm gonna get you moving and sweating. We're gonna do some of the hottest belly dance movements, and it's gonna be an all-over body workout in just 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, go ahead and take a deep breath up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide the hips side to side. Knees are nice and soft. Circle those arms. Make sure knees and toes are in alignment. All right, here we go. Little lunge to the side. Arm is going to snake arm from the shoulder all the way out through the fingers. Engage the abdominals. Really plie in those legs a little faster. Side and side. Reaching to the side wall. 4, 3, 2. Come to the center, knees and toes in alignment. We're going to squeeze everything on the way up. Make sure your back is nice and long and straight on the way down. Pelvis is tucked underneath you. Arms are circling, nice big circles. One more here. Good, bring the feet in. Let's go ahead and take the hips in a circle. Being sure that when you go to the back, that the pelvis stays engaged so that the back can stay nice and long. Beautiful. Go ahead and take that the other way, a little faster. We'll go back and front. Knees are still soft. Excellent. Come to the center, bend one knee, reach that arm up. Bend the other, same thing. Let's take it a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Good. And now feeling the weight in your feet, I invite you to just wobble, just wiggle, letting those knees bend and straighten. Keep that wobble going. Lift the chest up. Take it down. One more time. And strike your pose. All right, we're going to continue warming up by diving into some basic belly dance movement. We're going to start with our lower body, move on to the upper body, and then add some layering for additional challenge and a little cardio work. So let's go. Okay, making sure always that you're in your best belly dance posture, knees slightly soft, pelvis engaged, chest lifted, shoulders rolled back and down, starting with hip slide, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide and slide, keeping them parallel to the ground. Let's do a few more. Then we're gonna do 2 slow and 4 fast. So it's slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. Stick with the quick. Keeping those hip slides going, adding an arm circle if you'd like. Nice deep breath. 4, 3, 2, switching to a twist. Slow at first. I want you to make sure your knees and your toes are pointing forward. Beautiful. Let's speed it up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's bring the arms up and wave them down through the middle. Keeping that twist going, feeling it in your hips and in your obliques. Taking the weight to one foot, sliding that other foot out, switching your weight. Good, taking it back. Switching sides again. Little floreo in the hands. Holding it here. Chest goes up, down, pelvic tuck, release. Up, down, pelvic tuck, smooth it out. Undulation, up, down, tuck, release on one leg, right? So you're making sure that knee is bending. Good, let's twist it back to the other foot. Here we go. Twist. Back to the other side. Back to the first side. And we're gonna hold it here. Taking that up, down, tuck, release. Lift, drop. Make sure knee and toe are in alignment here. Lift, drop. Good, let's smooth it out. Here we go. Up, down, tuck, release. Up, down, tuck, release. Good, 2 more. Back to the center, feet underneath. We're going to Ami. So we're pulling the hips up and into us to create an interior hip circle. We do one really slow. We're going up, tuck, up, release again, slow. Arms above the head and speed it up, around, around. Good, keep it going. Wave the arms down. Hands to the hips. Let's go ahead and take it the other direction. So here we go. Around, around. Did you switch sides? Yeah, did you switch directions? Let's try it really slow to make sure, yeah? So here we go. We're going up, tuck, up, release, up, tuck, up, speed it back up, going around and around, bring the arms up. Beautiful. Bring it down through the center. Excellent. New move, figure 8, front to back. Front to back. I'm going to switch around so you can see me this way. Front to back, front to back. Little faster. Front to back, front to back. Knees are soft. Arms are long and engaged. Shoulders are rolled back and down. Let's take the arm sunrise circle. Excellent. Bring it back. Sunrise again. Let's go slow, quick, quick with the hips. We're going slow. Hold it here, then quick and quick. And again, slow and quick, and stick with the quick. One more sunrise. Shall we double time it one more? Yeah, let's give it a try. We're going left and right and left and right. Make it small, make it controlled. Feel those obliques work. 4, 3, 2, let's move to the upper body. Chest, lift and drop. Make sure as you lift and drop, lower body does nothing, yeah? Beautiful. Let's try it a little faster. Up, down, up and down, up, down, up and down. Good. Now let's take it to a circle. Let's go side, up. So vertical chest circle, feeling the obliques work, feeling your upper abdominals work. A little faster. Side, up, side, down. If you want to make this harder, you can bring your arms up above your head. Let's take it the other way. Here we go. Side, up, side, down. Let's do 2 more. Excellent. And strike your pose. Oh my goodness, fabulous dancer. You did it. Is your heart rate going a little bit? Maybe got a little sweaty? I hope so. I certainly did. If you love this kind of workout and you love belly dance, can you please hit like and subscribe to my channel? Also, this particular workout is a really good one to warm up for your regular belly dance practice, or if you don't have a regular belly dance practice yet and are looking to get one started, this is a great way to do it. Take this workout, save it, use it every couple of days. You're going to feel incredible and you're going to really build the strength you need to create all those incredible belly dance isolations and the most popular movements. And if you love this kind of feel-good, very supportive belly dance workout, then you are going to love the belly dance journey. Inside, you have access to hundreds of hours of tutorials and workouts just like this, in addition to live classes, an incredible community, and lots of really fun events throughout the year. This membership is only open to new members once a year, and it's open right now. So definitely check it out, thebellydancejourney.com. I would love to dance with you inside. All right, let's go ahead and continue. Weight on the back foot, prepping the front leg for hip drops. We'll go on 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop, drop. Making sure you're squeezing in the oblique to lift and dropping to neutral. Yeah, let's double time. Here we go. Drop, 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 drop. Back knee is soft. Back knee is soft and bending and straightening ever so slightly to prevent bounce, right? Make sure you're not bouncing in the head. Back knee is soft. Let's challenge ourselves. Slow it back down. Release the foot on every other. A gentle release, not a kick, just a pointed toe. Yeah, you got it. Give those hands a little floreo, a little expression, either direction. Good, let's double time the hips. Do you feel that back thigh yet? Yeah, don't straighten that back leg. Keep the upper body nice and lifted, energy coming up out of the torso. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Give it a little shimmy here in the middle. Woo, yeah, shake out that leg. We're gonna get ready to do it on the other side. Here we go, nice and slow. We're going drop, drop, squeeze, drop, bringing it back to neutral every time. Drop, drop, double time, here we go. Drop and drop and drop and drop. Chest is lifted, try not to bounce. Back knee is soft. Slow it down. Every other drop is release. Drop, release. Floreo in the hand. Good, keep that going. Drop, release. Watch your posture, pelvis underneath you. Good, shoulders are rolled back and down. Let's double time. Drop, release, drop, release. Looking good, keep it going. Don't forget to breathe. We're gonna add on a grapevine step. Right here, we're going step, open, back, prepare, drop, release. Drop, other side, we're going step, open, back, prepare, drop, release. Let's double time, here we go. Step, open, back, prepare, drop, release, drop, release. Good, keep it going. Maybe a little hair toss. You got it. Nice, again. Last one here. Undulate, up, roll down, up, roll down. I'm gonna encourage you to step with this undulation, one foot in front of the other. Let's slow it down. Up, roll down, up, roll down. You got it. Up, roll down, speed it back up, and if you would like, take it into releve. Up, roll down. Make sure upper body starts with the lift and the lower body releases at the end. Nice tall spine. Walk it to the side. Switch your feet. Up, roll down. Up, roll down. Gorgeous. Switch your feet again. And take it to a shimmy. Both knees bending and straightening. Yeah, so we're getting that bending and straightening. Those hips are going. Beautiful. Take the arms up. Floreo through the center. Good. Keep that shimmy going. We're going to work the arms. Snake arm. Small snake arm. Can you double time your snake arm? Now let's make them nice and big. Here we go. You're almost there. Keep that shimmy going. Can you make it bigger? Get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. Strike your pose. So now that you're all warmed up, let's keep dancing, yeah? Join me for a new tutorial here and we can continue to drill our technique and dance together. I hope you have a wonderful day and I look forward to sharing the dance floor with you very soon.